Hello there. What we're going to be doing today is taking these truck box handles and installing them on a box on a Dodge Dakota I got that had them that the locks have been popped out. So you're going to need a couple things. You'll need a pop riveter. You can get one on Amazon for 10 bucks. Need a drill, some bits, and I've got some various size rivets here. So what we're going to do first is go take out the rivets on the old handle and get those out of there. So, now this one has a lock on it, but I just don't have the key. And as you can see, somebody popped the other one out. So see if the bit I've got here is a good size for this, and it is. So we're just going to drill those out. I'll open this guy up. And we'll be drilling this out. And that guy didn't want to quite come out, but drill the others. So, no problem popping them out with the larger bit. So we're going to remove the old one and I'll grab a new one to put on there. Got my new handle, got my pop riveter, and a couple different size rivets. What we're going to do right now is determine which size rivet we're going to want here. We're going to want the largest size. We're going to take the tool that came with the riveting gun, take off the small head, and attach this larger head down here. This just ratchets off. Really simple. With the large head on the riveting gun, we're going to position this handle in place. Make sure you take the keys that they give you off of the back of the unit. And then we're going to get the new unit aligned. We're going to take our rivet and we're going to put it in the head of the riveting gun there. We're going to take it, make sure we're aligned, which we aren't quite. I'm having trouble holding the camera and doing this, so that is what it is. So I'm going to turn the camera off while I get the rivet in. Rivet's in place. We're just going to pop it in. I might have to hold it without the camera, but you're just going to squeeze it in and it's going to should pop in, and there we go. And you just repeat that for the remaining 3 holes. We've got the new unit completely riveted in. Looks like it works. Keys fell down here. So, that one's complete. I'll just do the other side the same way we did that, and that's how you replace a truck box lock. By the way, if I didn't mention where to get these, I believe they were, I just googled standard truck box locks and got them for about 10 bucks for the pair, so it's nothing.